I just bought the cheapest 2025 Mustang in the country.
Not only is it just a 2025, but look at this. Ray, bring this over here. It's only got 600 miles on it. Dang!
Now for the part that either makes or breaks this deal. Bring her on over here. It might have a slight dent in the back, but you know, she's got quarter panel's been cut over here. It's definitely gonna need a whole new door. And now moving on to the interior.
All the airbags deployed. We got 2 seats, the roof airbags, back seats missing. Why would they take the back seat out?
Man, I don't know. It used to have subs, but previous owner took the sub, took the seat, took everything, man. Getting a new door card, new rocker panel on the side as well.
Luckily for us, we got a whole interior picked out. We're gonna replace all the seats, all the airbags. We got the trunk pieces, all the plastic trim. We're gonna install that here soon, get it all buttoned up on the inside, and then start tackling the outside. Already picked up a new door, quarter panels on its way, and then once we build this car all back up, we might have to put some goodies on it. And with these new ones, you can change the cluster on them. Classic. Shows the old Fox body.
I like that one.
Dude, it's like retro, bro. It even shows the mileage and like in the different fonts, bro.
Let's show them under the hood.
Got you, bro. Dude, double intake system on these newer ones.
Yo, that looks way cooler. Makes it look twin turbo.
And I heard if you take the carbon mesh thing in here, if you take it out, it gains like 20 horsepower.
Dude, and this thing, man, dripping right off the lot.
Probably still got the braking oil in it.
Oh, for sure.
Oh, look, it's like carbon fiber.
Yo, so dusty. Jeez, I've never seen something this new.
Let's take her in and put the interior together.
All right, time to get to work. All right, now to rip apart the interior. Now that we got the seats out, I'm gonna start tackling these curtain airbags and get these things replaced. All right, now that we got this one out, we're gonna put the new one in. Just like that, the entire interior has been installed. Battery's connected. Now, I'm gonna go start the car. Get this thing off of there. That's fine. All right, moment of truth. Well, that's weird. I connected the battery, so why is it not starting? Okay. Now, I'm gonna go try starting it. Crap ton of lights. All right, I think we're good. Let's go. I'd say she's good. I'm gonna keep her running a little bit to get that battery charged up. No airbags deployed. I'd count that as a win. Now I'm just gonna finish wrapping everything up in here and he'll be ready for the shop. All right, let's get straight to it. Okay, we got all strapped up. We also got the door in the back seat and the rocker panel in the bed. Now it's time to hit the road. All right, we just got to the shop. Now we're just gonna unstrap it and get it off the trailer.
All right, come on. All right, you're good. Oh, it's so tight.
Okay, so we're here at the shop and got the old quarter panel off. You got the new quarter panel on. Now let's take a look at it. So you can see, ended up cutting over here to get the old quarter panel off and then just welded it back on to get all buttoned up. But man, we did a really good job. But yeah, she's coming together pretty good right now. All that's left is get it inside the paint booth and get it all painted up, which we'll be back to show y'all. Also, sorry about my low voice. If you can't tell, I'm sick.
Out here, the Mustang just got painted. This thing looks good. So, blended on the fender. Doors new, repainted. Got the whole quarter panel looking nice and clean. Look at that. We got the side skirt all painted up. Got the door opened up here. Look at this. Look at that. You could never even tell any of it ever happened. That's some good work right there, guys. And we'll be back tomorrow to pick it up.
This thing is finally done. We've been waiting for a whole month for this thing to get done, and here she is. As you can see, the side skirt is not installed yet, but that's because we did not have the clips to install them. So we're gonna take it back to the house and get the clips for the side skirt and get it put on, and then she'll be completely done. Now it's time to take it on its first drive, and I'll see y'all back at the house. I am actually so excited right now. I cannot believe this thing is done. It has been 3 months since I bought this car, and it is finally just completely done. Let's hit the road. All right, here we go. Holy. Oh my gosh! This is awesome! Oh my gosh!
Bro's first V8.
Dude, how am I gonna sell this car? There's actually no way. There's actually no way I'm gonna sell this car. Did you see it?
First V8, bro.
Did you see it going?
First V8, bro.
That is not at all what I expected. This car is insane.
And the 10-speed. Does it shift fast?
It felt like, I'm not gonna lie, it felt like a dual clutch, bro. It was actually...
Seriously?
Dude, it felt instant.
Dude, I thought, I'm used to the truck's 10-speed. It's kind of slow.
It was so fast. It was nothing like the truck. Nothing.
Does it do the thing where it's like, nah, nah, nah?
It's like, nah, nah, nah.
Every time you downshift, it's like,
Downshift like 6-7 times.
Dude, it looks good driving down the road. You gotta get that side skirt on though.
I know that side skirt looked absolutely terrible on the road. I didn't really. Okay, let's get the side skirt on. So, I ended up finding some clips that would work, and this thing's on there. I think we're all good. Let's get a final test. Oh yeah. We got a full Mustang now. It's the next day, and she is finally completely done. And now we just need one more thing to finalize this build, and that is to wash it. Before we do that, we're gonna do a little walkthrough of where all the damage was so that we can see how well this thing was fixed. I was about to show the driver's side because of how well he fixed it, so I'm pretty sure that the damage was on the passenger side. I think it was. We're gonna go over there and check it out. You'll see why I forgot. Okay, so I'm looking at it right now. I can't believe that this is where the hit was. That's the rocker panel I installed, and that last clip and door is just like there. Quarter panel is there. You can't even like. You cannot get much better than that. You can look at the body lines everywhere. Perfect. 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 So yeah, I'd say that's a pretty big win. Now that we did the walkthrough, we could get her all cleaned up. Now it's time for my favorite part, the foam cannon. All right, now we're gonna rinse it off. Now that the car has been completely washed, she's done. She is finally completely done after 3 months of just sitting and rotting. If you guys are interested in the price breakdown, which I know you guys are, I will be releasing that in a second video on this beautiful Ford Mustang GT. Okay. All right, she's all cleaned up, and now this car is, oh my gosh, bro. Gosh, bro, stop!